Hey guys, Liquid here, and I'm making this video to basically I made this sound effector thing here in Cinema 4D, and I started to render it, and I was at about 30 frames, and it had taken an hour already, and there's 920 frames, so you can imagine how long that would have took. So I'm not going to render it, but that's why I'm making this video, just to show you the preview of it. Like, this is what it would have looked like when it's rendered. And I'll record this playing, and I'll show it after the video. So I hope you're not too disappointed that I'm not giving the full render version, but it's still nice anyway. See ya.